Good morning. It is breakfast time. So let's make some quick chocolate malto meal. We have the chocolate malto meal, heavy whipping cream. We have butter and sugar. In this pot here, we're going to add, this is 1 cup of water and a half of cup of heavy whipping cream. This will make your malto meal so flavorful and smooth. So we're going to go ahead and add that. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Then we're going to add our malto meal. Also, let's go ahead and add the sugar, which I add 2 tablespoons. You can adjust it. I just don't like it too sweet. Make sure you stir this until it comes to a boil so your heavy whipping cream won't stick to the bottom, but it shouldn't because it has the water in there. Let's go ahead and pour in the chocolate malto meal, and you want to constantly keep stirring because you don't want any lumps. And this is 2/3 cup of chocolate malto meal. So keep stirring as you're pouring it in. Okay. I want you to see this. And at the end, we're going to add the butter. I think it gives better results when you add the butter at the end. Okay. Now we're going to reduce the heat and cover and cook for about 5 minutes. So when I come back, I will show you the finished product of the chocolate malto meal for breakfast. Okay, the malto meal is nice and thick. Can you see? Now we're going to add the butter and let it melt. A little pro tip, I found even once you add the malto meal to the whipping cream and water mixture, keep stirring until it gets thick, and that will assure you that you will have no lumps. You see how smooth that is? No lumps. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product and presentation of the chocolate malto meal. Gives you a quick breakfast idea for hot cereal. And what I did, I'm kind of a kid at heart, so I just added, can you see the chocolate chips? And I added some more heavy cream, which gives it an awesome flavor. Let me show you how smooth this is. Then when you take it with the heavy whipping cream, you see that? And I also added a little cinnamon. I mean, you guys, your kids will love it and you will love it. All you have to do now is add your meat that you'd want for breakfast, or some eggs. All right, this is a quick short video for breakfast cereal. The chocolate malto meal is still a classic. All right, you guys, stay safe, be blessed. I will see you again soon. And remember, out of everything we do, always put God first. Now that's a good bite right there, right? All right. Thank you.